बट ये जो इंसान है वो अभी बिग बॉस में है,
हाँ जी,
सीजन 19.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so then we stopped talking.
You don't want to
January-
take names.
No, not at all. Quickly called me and she's like, Shubhi, उसने messages तो unsend कर दिए सारे. Then I was like, then this is fishy. And then I called him out. I was like, why did you do it? You could have told me. Because this was very clear between us कि whenever we are gonna part ways, we'll be clear to each other कि this is not working out, let's part ways. And then I called him out कि why did you unsend the message? So then he's like, he gave me a very lame excuse, and of course I'm not stupid enough to believe it.
Okay.
He told me I deliberately texted your friend because it wasn't working out between us, so I wanted to hurt you so that you feel bad about it, and so that मैं गंदा बन जाऊं और वो जो lamest excuse
understand.
possible. That's what he said, and I was like, ये तो बहुत ही lame है. Then why did you unsend it? Then he's like, because I've understood that I always let my, which I understand. A lot of people have their traumas. I respect the traumas, but hiding in the name of traumas and playing with someone else because your traumas are superior and others' traumas are not. Because मैं भी तो reality show से आई थी, मेरे भी अपने traumas थे. But then this guy was like, I understood कि I need to surpass my traumas and I need to accept the reality, and उस वजह से मैंने किया, and then I unsent it. And I found it very lame.
बट ये जो इंसान है वो अभी बिग बॉस में है,
हाँ जी.
सीजन 19.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So then we stopped talking.
You don't want to
January-
take names.
No. Not at all. I don't. It's just that sometimes it wasn't even needed to be shared. But sometimes I've just understood in life कि when a person has done wrong to you, it is his story to be narrated. It's your part to let it out. Because you are not wrong. That person has done wrong. And then आपको गलत करना ही नहीं चाहिए अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है उस चीज़ के बाहर आने से तो. And I don't know. I just hope कि इस इंसान का जो भी चल रहा है बिग बॉस में, I just hope कि everything is real at least now. At least now it's not for the sake of content or because social media hashtag works out. I really hope कि मेरे को जैसा बोला गया था ये मुझे ही बोला गया था because exactly ऐसा. I just hope कि now everything is real and that person has learned from his mistakes and maybe he has improved. But what I see is a fake gameplay right now.
So he's faking his game inside the house.
He is pretending to be someone he's not. I mean, come on, yeah, not that innocent. Yeah.
So but then how would you define your bond with him? You all were not committed.
Now we are no.
Okay.
We were seeing each other. We were not committed, but we were seeing each other. मतलब एकदम clear था यार. वो clearly he used to say things कि you are special, and we were very clear कि we like each other and we are developing feelings. We were very clear. He kept leading me on. And he kept leading me on. मतलब मेरे साइड से efforts नहीं थे, सारे efforts उसी के साइड से आ रहे थे. I was तो not ready for a relationship right then because उस टाइम जस्ट हर्ष का सीन हुआ था तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट इश्यूज आ गए थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि लड़के दिखाते कुछ है करते कुछ है. बट देन मेरे दिमाग में ये चीज़ थी ना कि मैं इस लड़के को 3 साल से जानती हूँ यार. एंड ऑनेस्टली मुझे लगता है कि जेन्युइन थी ही उसके साइड से भी फीलिंग्स. बट देन आई जस्ट फील कि देन जब चीज़ें ख़त्म करनी हो तो रियल रह के करो ना. वाई डू यू हैव टू do this thing of messaging my own friend, and later on I got to know that he also was texting one of my other friend also who is from this Splitsvilla season also. So I was very shocked कि इस time तो we were having a thing when you were texting my friends, which I did not like. I mean, I just felt it was very, you could have been more honest and transparent. Why to play around with someone? I mean, if you have to play around, don't play around with one person. No? If you have to play around with a lot of people together, it's just that कि be more real. बस.
So then who was that girl जिनको उन्होंने मैसेज किया था that you saw?
I don't want to take her name, but दोनों लड़कियां मेरी बहुत close है.
Okay.
One is a creator and one is तो Splitsvilla contestant जिसको उसने मैसेज किया था कि we should catch up, sort of, which I did not like. I mean, अब मेरी दोस्त को क्यों करोगे आप?
So but then this ये तो full cases of a cheating ही हम कह सकते, right?
कह तो सकते हैं बट लड़के मानते कहाँ हैं? वही तो बात है ना कि इस जनरेशन ने फीलिंग्स को इतनी हवा में रख दिया है कि जब लोग जेन्युइनली अटैच होते हैं तब ये बोल के लड़के साइड में निकल जाते हैं कि अरे कमिटमेंट थोड़ी था, अरे हम लोग कौन सा प्यार में पड़े थे.